Hi, and welcome to Whenever You're Ready. In this video, I will show you how to use your SMART goals tracker. First, let's talk about how to add your goals. You would just click inside the box and add your goal. At the top, you have the option to add up to 15 goals across. Second, you can add a visual aspect. If you just click inside this box here, go to Insert, image, and then you would do insert image in cell. Go into your browser, and it would add your image here. Next, you would go ahead and set your start date and due date. Then you can add the task that you would complete to get to this goal. And that's how you would add the task into each goal. Once you complete a task, you can check that off and it will show your progress for each goal. So here you can see your goal is achieved once you've achieved all the goals. And in the same notion, if you were behind on goals, you would get a notification telling you that your goal is past the deadline because you still have goals that have not been checked off or tasks that have not been checked off to achieve your goal. Lastly, you will have visuals above to show your progress overall based on to-dos and done. And also you will have a visual of each goal. So as I mentioned before, you have up to 15 goals. So this would show all the goals across, but the key is to add tasks that are actionable for you to be able to complete the overall goal and track them. This is why it's called the SMART goals tracker, as it is making sure that we're making something that's specific and measurable, that's reasonable to accomplish, and the goals obviously apply to your long-term um, success. And then we're making sure that we add some due dates so that we can hold ourselves accountable. Lastly, you do have the option to add more details as to why the goal is important to you. This is providing a purpose, as I like to say, so that you can just weigh your pros and cons as far as the importance and what the goal means to you to help keep you motivated, as well as a reward if you decide to reward yourself. But that is ultimately the way that you use the tracker. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. We're here to help. Good luck tracking and yeah, happy planning.